Hey guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to explain how to use the chain rule to find the derivative of any function in the form y equal u power n. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button and stay tuned. So basically guys, the chain rule states that the derivative of any function of the form u power n is given by n u prime u power n minus 1. To help you understand this formula, I'm going to use a particular example and in which we are going to apply this formula on. So here, let's say that f of x is equal to x power 5 plus 3x power 3 minus 12 power 100. So basically guys, this is a polynomial, but in case we need to expand this, we need to apply the binomial theorem and we need to find 101 or 101 terms, which seems impossible and it will take much time. So instead of expanding this function then derive, we can apply the chain rule, which is an easier method. So all what you have to do, you have to recognize the value of u first, in which the inside function is u. So then in the next step you will say that let u equal x power 5 plus 3x power 3 minus 12, and then it follows that u prime is equal to 5x power 5, and if you derive normally, 5x power 4 plus 9x squared. Okay, then after that, as you see, this is u and this is u prime. Then you will say that y prime is simply equal to n, which is 5, as you see the power, which is 100, then multiplied by u prime, which is 5x power 4 plus 9x squared, multiplied by x power 5, which is u, plus 3x power 3 minus 12 raised to power 99, because it's 100 minus 1. And simply this is the derivative of f of x. And so as you see, applying or using the chain rule to find the derivative is easy. Also guys, we have other different examples in which we can also apply the chain rule, like let's say that g of x is equal to radical x minus 1. All what you have to do in this case, if you want to find the derivative, you can write this quantity this function as x minus 1 raised to the power 1 over 2. And then you can see this function as u power half or u power n, in which we can also apply chain rule here. So to apply chain rule, so same thing. First of all, I'm going to recognize u, which is equal to x minus 1. And it follows that u prime is equal to 1. Then all what you have to do is apply the formula in which y prime is equal to n, which is half, multiplied by u prime, which is 1 in this case, multiplied by u power n minus 1, which is x minus 1 raised to the power negative half. Then all what you need to do, a little simplification, so this will give half. So this means that y prime is simply equal to half multiplied by x minus 1, or if you want you can write it as 1 over x minus 1 power half. And so it follows that it's equal to 1 divided by 2 radical x minus 1. Also guys, pay attention that here I use the fact that 1 over a power negative n or minus n is equal to 1 over a power n. And for this reason guys, as you see, I changed the location of x minus 1 to the power negative half to the denominator, and I changed the sign of the exponent negative half. So basically guys, we have so many cases where the chain rule is applied. Like also, if you look at this example, if you write simply, for example, 1 over x minus 1 and you want to derive this function, all what you have to do is to write this function as x minus 1 to the power negative 1. As you see, also you can apply the same rule here. I applied this remark. Then as you see, this can be seen as u power negative 1. So again, all what you need to do is to find u prime, which is equal to, so you say let u equal to x minus 1, u prime is equal to 1, and then apply the rule. So y prime is equal to n, which is equal to -1 the power, multiplied by u prime, which is 1, multiplied by x minus 1 to the power -1, so it's -2. And if you need to simplify more, you can write that y prime is equal to -1 over x minus 1 raised to the power 2. So guys, basically we have so many cases where we can apply the chain rule, which is very important formula in calculus. This is everything for this video. Thank you for watching. See you later, guys.